Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in Capcut, and trust me, it's super easy to do. So just make sure to watch it until the end so you don't miss anything. So first, open the Capcut app and start a new project. Import the video you want to reverse. So I've already got one loaded here, so let's use that. So once your video is in the timeline, go ahead and tap on the video clip. You'll see a pop-up menu appear at the bottom of the screen. Now, scroll through the menu at the bottom until you find the option called reverse. It's usually located between opacity and freeze. So after you find it, tap on reverse and then CapCut will automatically start reversing your video. So the time it takes depends on how long your video is. Shorter clips process faster and longer ones takes a bit more time. And that's it. Once it finishes, your video will play reverse. So, if you ever want to undo the reverse, just tap on the clip again and find the reverse button. Tap it one more time to cancel it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.